So I've got two sets of cabinets here. I've got uppers and lowers with grain match set up on the fronts for them. So that's just done by, I've done it just with the item numbers. I've called them the special item number so that they'll know that they're grain matched. But basically, here on the product materials tab, I can specify that this is grain matching identifier 100. So this group of cabinets is item or match 100. This is match 101. And so it's going to include those when it goes to create the nest. So now I'll just go ahead and create the nest, including those products. And so let's see, window around all those, grab those as my work order, and process that. So now in my processing center, here's all my parts. And so I'm just going to select on the door material here and assign those and process that. So now that my processing is complete, I can just open up the nest drawing to show you the result here. So if I go into my batch 1 thermoid nest, I can see my complete nesting, and that includes all of my machining for hinges and pulls and whatever other machining I might have on those fronts, as well as my grain matching for those matching fronts here. So you can see these numbers with the hashtag are indicating that that is matching elevation, and then I've just got some other parts to fill in the balance of the sheet on these.